Here's a quick tip for converting multiple non-global colors to global colors. I cover the difference between global and non-global colors in one of the other tutorials in my channel. So this is just about the mechanics of making the change from one type of color to another. I've just created a new document. It's a standard A4 page. The first thing to notice is that I'm working with the default Essentials workspace, and I want to see my swatches panel. I either need to select an object on my artboard, in which case I now get a fill and stroke box in the appearance pane of the properties panel. I'll just click away from the object to deselect it, in which case I'll lose those options again. I could also just click on one of the tools in the tool panel other than the standard selection tool, and again fill and stroke options appear in the properties panel. The other alternative that I like is to change the workspace from Essentials to Essentials Classic. And then I get this secondary panel dock in addition to the properties panel. And there's my swatches panel. For this tutorial, I'll take the workspace back to Essentials, select an object, then click the fill box in the properties panel to show the swatches panel. This is a document intended for print, and all the default solid colours are non-global. I know that because they don't have a small white triangle in the bottom right hand corner. I don't have a specific custom colour palette that I want to work with initially. I'm just going to use the default colours. But, a big but, not as non-global colours. It would be a real pain to go through each of these colours individually, double-clicking on each in turn and switching on global in the swatch options dialog box. Instead, do this. Start by selecting the first red, hold down Shift, then click on the dark brown to select it and all the colour swatches between the two clicks. Now go to the Panel menu button in the top right corner of the Swatches panel and select Swatch Options. In the Swatch Options dialog box, select the global tick box. Click OK, and there they are, a default panel of global colours. I can do the same for the greys. Please do like this if you like it. I've put a link to my global, non-global colours tutorial in the Show More part of the description. Click the Show More button below. Thanks for watching.